within a quarter of a mile, arrive at Galveston Island State Park.
Island State Park.
Arrive at Galveston Island State Park. Arrived. Stop signs. So guys, I'm at the Galveston State Park and it looks like this. So beautiful. You can see how beautiful is this. That's a turtle. So here lots of people are coming for the night camping. They do all camping over here. They're gonna stay all night over here. So this day this is my first time. So let's see.
They're just bidding for themselves.
This view. So it's so cold. It's really charming over here. This is for the water, for the bath. No, I mean, what it says, no lifeguard, swim at your own risks. Undercurrent. I'm not sure guys, but look at this place. Look at this view. I'm right now at the Galveston State Park and you can see the water, how near it is, and it's really beautiful place. I like it. The water looks so clear, you can see the water. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I'm at near the beach, so I would probably not go into the water, but I'm alone today, so let's see. Back to the park. Let's go back to the park. Let's see.
यहाँबाट ब्याक टु हुँदैछु कस्तो लाग्यो यो बिच एकदमै राम्रो लाग्यो मलाई चाहिँ इट्स रियली नाइस टु स्पेन्ड टाइम द सनसेट व्यू इज देयर इट्स रियली नाइस दिस lots of flowers गाइस मलाई चाहिँ एकदमै रमाइलो लाग्यो एकदम अहिलेको वेदर चाहिँ यहाँनिर धेरै गर्मी पनि होइन धेरै चिसो पनि होइन इट्स लाइक अ माइल्ड वेदर एन्ड इट्स रियली नाइस इट्स अटम lots of flowers are there the sun is going to be setting down there and I like this park. This is cherries from the state parks. There you can do some barbecue. Finally, I arrived at the parking lot. It was really nice. Okay guys, finally I arrived at my car. It was really good.
Navin, your phone is charging.
किन तपाईले आउनु भएको
6:30 बजे बन्द 6:45 बन्द हुँदो रहेछ भन चाहिँ
तर यहाँ राति मान्छेहरू क्याम्पिङहरू होइन गर्नलाई आउँछन्
त्यही गर्नलाई नै राखेको हो यो
मान्छेले कति रिस्क लिँदा रहेछन् हेर हामी अनि ग्यास स्टेसन खोल्नको लागि Look at this view guys oh my god it's called the seawall in 100 years ago they built this seawall because the water came all the way to the end and they all destroyed the homes and then they made it the seawall it is a man-made seawall like a long it's a I don't know how many miles it is but it's really long and this is a Galveston County.
Total 9 miles.
9 miles, yeah. I recently heard that they are the longest seawall in. Keep loving, keep supporting. I will upload so many videos upcoming days. So give me subscribe, hit the subscribe button and love me, like and follow and share with your friends, guys. I love you so much. And guys, and after some day, I'm gonna share you a beautiful tips and tricks about the financial thing, how to increase your financial potential, like that type of things I'm going to upload in my upcoming videos. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to publish soon. I'm figuring out what to share you with you guys. I'm really gonna help you guys. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.